Hey, welcome. Jared Roboski here. About to take a live trade. So I wanted to jump in and show y'all what I'm going to do real quick. So here is Webull. We got this here. I guess I don't need to hide that. So what I did here, the previous videos, I had just funded this account. I wired 25,000 in here. I'll just be completely transparent with you. I guess it took some for wire fees. I hadn't taken a trade yet in this account, so we will see how quickly we can grow that. It is December 7th, and the money just hit this morning. Haven't taken a trade yet, but I'm looking to take a little trade here based on this SPY. We got a couple wicks here. This is a 5-minute, so obviously this is going to be a scalp trade. I am not looking to swing or hold this trade for long. So we're going to start small with just 10 limit order. And there's my limit buy. And what these are is these are just my upside targets here. So my blue lines, I got upside targets. And let's see if I get filled. And then down here, if this red line is crossed, these would be my downside targets that we could short to. See if I get filled. Almost. There we go. Got filled, I think. Yeah. So just got 10 right there. See if we can catch a bounce. Closed above it. And on some next trades, what I'll do is I'll show you how you can play this with options and kind of leverage and make more money off of these smaller trades. Because one option contract is like 100 shares. So they move much quicker, right? So if this goes to here, 394.50 area, I'll get out. And because I just bought 10 and it goes up $1, I'll only make $10. Just showing this as an example. But on an options trade with that same amount of buying power, let's just say I used that $3,000 for buying power, probably could have, made $1,000 or more on this same trade. So options can be a fantastic tool, but it goes the same way the other way. You can lose money very quickly. I don't recommend starting with options trading. I recommend just trading some spot and getting used to entries and exiting your positions at first. That's most important. We're pushing up. We got a pretty quick bounce there so far. And we can break up here. $3.94. And I've got my limit sell right at that next target. It could take a little while. This is a 5-minute candle chart. So we're pushing up. Get back over this 394 area. Then I think we'll reach here. And probably go higher. But I just wanted to show y'all really what a scalp looks like. And what I'm really going to most likely do is more options trades to grow this account size. But I just wanted to show y'all how you can easily do some scalp trades to make some money. Now, here's my support line. You know, it's based on these closes, this wick, right? And this is a very short-term time frame, and it's really what I prefer trading most of the time. I generally have both going at the same time. I'll have some swing trades going, and then I'll have some scalp trades going for more active trading. Here we go. We're over 394. Looks like we're pushing up here. And you can see the DIA, that's the Dow Jones Index. That thing's pushing up, so that's up 0.26%. It's up more, right? Your SPY is lagging, so could get an easy push there. We'll get into some more details on some of these, how we take these, the setups, things like that. Just wanted to show a quick scalp. Hopefully we can push into that and I can exit quickly. The great thing about trading the SPY or the Dow Industrial Average, QQQ is the NASDAQ. Notice the percentage movement on these assets, right? If you get a 2 or 3% move on one of these in a day, that's a large move, right? You don't see that all the time. Although over this last year we've seen a bunch of volatility and many large moves. Looks like we might have pushed it down before I wanted to. Let's see. I might exit this. If this candle closes red, I'm going to get out because I don't want to ride that back to my entry point. Oh, it looks like they're climbing back. But what I would do, if that candle turned red and I wanted to get out quickly, I'm not going to do a limit order. I'm going to change this right here to a market order, and I'm going to market out of that order quickly. But notice a little bit of patience, and it's already bounced back up, right? That's why it's important to wait for a close, especially when, I mean, this is a 5-minute candle, right? So if you don't have patience to wait 5 minutes for a 5-minute close, then you shouldn't be trading. 5-minute is the lowest time frame that I trade on. There are scalpers that trade on 1-minute intervals, 3-minute intervals. You can make it all work if you want. To me, the lower the interval, the higher the stress, and the quicker the time you're in and out of a trade. So that is one reason I do like lower time frame trading. Is I enjoy scalping. Making some quick trades in and out. There we go. I'm already out of that trade. Not sure how long we've been recording, but it didn't take very long. Now I'm out of that trade. I can go look for the next trade if I want. I don't know how much we made, maybe like 11, 12 bucks, right? But it was on a very low risk, the SPY. And then I'll show you how you could have taken that exact same trade and made like $1,000. And that's generally what I'll do. I'll just look for these trades where I can make, 1,000 to 3,000 a day, and then hey, call it a day. You really don't need much more than that. At least I don't. So I like to be done quickly. And look at that, we wicked up there so far, getting rejected. Um, the cool thing is, if it comes back down here, I'm going to take the same trade again, right? So just be on the lookout. Well, thanks for joining us on this quick scalp video. Just wanted to show y'all how a scalp trade is done. And scalping is generally just on these lower time frames. Your profit is lower because it's on a lower time frame. So you're looking to just get in and out, right? But if we use more size, we make more profits. If we use options, we make even more profits. But if you are a beginning trader, do not trade options. Don't worry about how much you're making. Just consistently make money. Okay? That's more important. Thank you so much for joining us today. And we'll see y'all on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more of these video updates. You can hit that notifications bell, and it'll remind you when I'm going live.